Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to turn on notifications for comments from people you follow on Instagram using your PC. If you've been missing important interactions or just want to stay more connected, this setting is definitely worth enabling. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account because all the settings we're about to adjust are tied directly to your profile. Once you're inside the app, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with several options. From there, click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls for your account, including privacy, security, and notifications. Now that you're in Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you decide exactly what kind of alerts you want to receive and when you want to receive them. Next, click on Push Notifications. These are the alerts that pop up on your device, so this is where you can fine-tune what Instagram notifies you about in real time. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Comments. Under this, you'll see an option called From Profiles I Follow. Select this option to make sure you only get notified when people you follow comment on posts.